Now, let me briefly introduce our work named DandelionNet, which proposes instance adaptive classification for domain generalization problem. As observed before, due to the imperfect sampling of source domains, traditional one-hot classification loss and tight alignment constraint may result in information overcompression and thus overtwist of new target domain as shown in Figure A. So as in Figure B, we think that an ideal and well-generalized model should preserve more holistic information and keep the feature relation structure, which means the domains are composite. Then the model can better adapt to new domain via use and remix of more remained and structure-preserved feature. Thus, our proposed method tries instance adaptive classifier deviation to help domain composition, making the feature organized like petals of dandelions. So our method is named DandelionNet. The framework consists of a shared feature extractor E and a universal classifier C, and the most novel part is the deviation predictor D. D is responsible for learning instance adaptive classification deviation on classifier weights, and then the final feature is to be matched with the deviated classifier weight. Specifically, compared with the traditional classification loss, our training process is first learn the deviation and then normalize it. Afterwards, the hyperparameter radius is multiplied to the deviated direction vector. Finally, the deviated classifier weight is for feature matching and classification, which is quite different with the previous method. After training, the universal classifier is also optimized to a less biased one, so testing with only the universal classifier is also enough. As seen our experiment results, our method achieves SOTA in domain generalization and source-free domain adaptation benchmarks. Furthermore, as seen the yellow highlight, we also validate the sensitivity of hyperparameter R. As demonstrated, R should be smaller when the involved domains are similar, while bigger when diversified. Moreover, the automatically optimized feature and deviation indicates the domain composition results. In conclusion, this work proposes a new perspective that the multiple source domains should be composite rather than tightly aligned. The instance adaptive classifier is slightly deviated from the universal classifier, thus allowing samples from the same category but different domains to be dispersed around the class center rather than squeezed together. In future, the design of deviation learning could be more elaborate, auxiliary with multimodals. Thank you for your time.